Hi, my name is Drew Harris. I'm 14 from Los Angeles, and I will be singing Sit Down, You're Rockin' the Boat from Guys and Dolls by Frank Loesser. I dreamed last night I got on the boat to heaven, and by some chance I had brought my dice along, and there I stood, and I hollered, someone fade me. But the passengers, they knew right from wrong. For the people all said, sit down, you're rocking the boat. People all said, sit down, you're rocking the boat. And the devil will drag you under by the sharp lapels of your checkered coat. Sit down, you're rocking the boat. Sit down, you're rocking